Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Bajaj Finance share. So in the previous video we have discussed about India Mart also. So people who have bought India Mart, so do mention in the comment section, in which we have discussed excellent supports where we can add in small quantities. And today also I gave an update on Magma Fincorp that if you want to average or do fresh investment, you can add in that share, as the circuit was open today and it has given immediately, you see, in just in the opening session itself. Okay, in this video we'll discuss complete technicals as well as fundamentals of Bajaj Finance. I'll also show you the recap of the share, in which around, I guess, 2 months back I have posted a video on it. I have given the supports. You can see how exactly it has obeyed that supports, and people who have not watched the video can also go through the playlist and watch that video. So that's why I tell that to not miss any latest update, you need to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get all the latest posts as well as updates. So firstly, when we see the overview of the company, you can see that the current market price is around 3,351 and it's currently trading around 8% upward movement, and you can see the market cap is around 2 lakh crores, and if you see the dividend is around 0.3, okay, 0.3, and you can see industry P is 27 and current P is around 38, so it's slightly we can say that overvalued. And when we see the book value is 537 and we can see deliveries are only 7.77%, because Bajaj Finance almost every time when we see the deliveries will always be less than 25% only. So next, if we see the shareholding, we can see that promoters are having a major of 56.2% and pledging is not there in the company, and we can see FIs are having a good of 21%, and if we see DIs are having around 13.78, and we can see mutual funds have increased the stake as compared to quarter on quarter and increased around 1%. So we know that Bajaj Finance is almost emotion to retail investors, and most of the retailers are invested in it, and it has given huge returns. We know that when we compare it with 2008 recession, we know that it was trading around 4 rupees. Also it has corrected and again went to 45 rupees also. So currently it has given huge returns to the retail investors. So company wise, it has very huge growth. We can see it is into almost finance sector, NBFC. We know that EMIs, so people buy lot of products, TVs, fridges, and take EMIs from the company. So company wise, very good future, but you need to enter at a right level. So that's why I posted a video 2 months back also, regular videos, 2 to 3 videos I posted, that you can enter in Bajaj Finance, and I calculated the top and bottom also of the share based on the option chain analysis. So that's why I tell option chain analysis is very important whenever you do or to investing in few FNO shares. Okay. So when we see the returns of the company, it has given almost in 1 week it has given 13.64 returns, and in 1 month around 33.88, and 3 months also 31%, and 6 months and 1 year almost negative returns. In 1 year it has given only minus 1.66% negative returns. Okay, so not more negative returns, only slightly less returns it has given. Okay, this was the calculation that I have made a video 2 months back around May 2nd. I posted that when it was trading around 2300, I posted a video. You can see current market was 2318. You can see here current market price is 2318, and 28th May 2020 was the expiry. So I showed that maximum downward movement in the month. Okay, we can see around it can go to 1789, and 2846 will be the high, and low will be 1789, and yearly was 4168 and 408. So 408 is eliminated only now. It, since it's an upward movement, so 4128 will be achieved very easily in the coming we can say months. Okay, so this was the basic calculation I have done, and the surprising thing is that so the monthly down was exactly obeyed, and exactly the 52-week low was 1789 only. So that is the analysis based on option chain. So that's why I tell anyone, whenever you do trading or investing, first thing is option chain analysis plays a very crucial role. So if you want a video, then definitely I'll make a video on it. So also told in my previous videos that so you can watch out for these supports. You can see here I have drawn that you can watch out these supports around 1967 as well as 1700 1800, sorry, 1800 will be near term targets I mentioned in that video also. So exactly you know that around from 1796 it has retraced, and now its current market price 3300. So huge movement. So people who have invested at the bottom would have earned very good profit from this share. So currently you can see that it has broke all the we can say resistances, we can see. So it's not updated here. Now it's currently trading here 3300. So you can see it has broke this resistance and taken support at this point. So this was the point when I made a video that around 1957 if you want you can enter. This was second video. First video was around 1800 rupees. So these are the two videos that I posted. So 197 also, people who are interested can add at that point I told in that video. So now what to do? Now it has people who want to do fresh investment can wait for few days, I can say. If you want you can enter at 3200. If you get a chance to invest at 3200, you can invest with small quantity. Don't again put excess amount of quantity, then you need to put more amount for your average price. So that's why if you want to buy at 3200, you need to add with little patience. Okay, now so you can, now money flow index is also telling that the stock has momentum, okay, in the coming days also. So if you get a chance to invest at 3200, then definitely have a try. So in the next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care, bye bye.